Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your YouTube videos more engaging and interactive, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to add YouTube cards to your videos. Cards are a fantastic way to link to other videos, playlists, channels, or external websites, helping boost engagement and keeping viewers on your channel longer. We'll cover two methods: adding cards while uploading your video and adding or editing them after your video has already been uploaded. So let's dive right in. The first method we'll talk about is adding cards while uploading your video. Start by uploading your video as usual by signing into your channel. Click on the Upload Video button on the top right side, select your file, and while it's uploading, complete the usual steps, such as adding a title, description, and thumbnail. Once you've entered these details, move to the Video Elements section in the upload process. Here you'll find an option for Add Cards. Click on the Add button and a new window will pop up where you can choose from different card types. Link to another video or playlist on your channel. Link to another YouTube channel. Link to an approved website for monetized channels. This lets you link to external platforms or your website, available only for YouTube partners. Once you've selected the type of card you want, follow the instructions to link to the video, playlist, or URL. You'll then set the timing for when the card appears during playback by dragging the timeline or by entering the time in the box with the card. After setting up all the cards you need, click Save, and they'll automatically appear in your video when it goes live. Now, let's discuss adding or editing cards after the video is uploaded. This is useful if you forgot to add cards during the upload process or want to make changes to an already live video. Start by heading to Content section in the YouTube Studio, then find the video you want to update. Click on the video title to go to Video Details. Scroll down to the Cards section on the right bottom side and click on Cards. This will open the same card editor you saw during the upload process. You can add new cards or edit existing ones by changing the link, timing, or type. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save to apply them. Adding cards to your videos has several benefits. They increase engagement by encouraging viewers to watch more content, promote other videos on your channel, and even drive traffic to your website or monetized content. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Happy YouTubing!